Certifications add an immense amount of value to your profile, right? It showcases a lot of things, be it proficiency, authority, and even grasp over a concept or even a domain itself. Did you know that? Well, there are many domains and, of course, a lot of certifications out there that you definitely should look out for in this vast world of information technology that we have. Now, guys, keeping all of this in mind, we here at Great Learning have come up with this top 10 certifications for 2021 video discussing the important certifications you should look forward to this year especially. Now use this as a guide to make sure that you understand the top certifications that are in demand for 2021, and of course make sure you work towards being certified in the same as well.
Before we get started, I want to introduce you to Great Learning Academy. This is a free initiative by Great Learning where you can have access to over 200 plus courses with 1000 plus hours of free content on all of the trending high demand domains absolutely free. Register now to complete the course and get your free certificate of completion as well. Check out the link in the description box of the video below for more details. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I want to request you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. This is done to make sure you do not miss out on any of the new updates or video releases from Great Learning. And of course, guys, if you enjoy this video, show us some love and do like this video. Knowledge increases by sharing, right? So make sure you share this video with your friends, colleagues, and everyone who can make use of it. And at the end of it, make sure to comment on the video if you have any queries or any suggestions, and I'll be more than happy to respond to all of your comments.
So number 10 on the list, we have DevOps certifications. Now I'm sure you will already know that DevOps has to play such an important role in bridging the gap that exists between development and certifications. Well, the demand is now more than ever for DevOps professionals, so it is very vital you look towards the certifications now. Now there are many certifications out there, and here are some of the really popular ones that are in demand. You can look towards Docker Certified Associate Certification, AWS Certified, and of course from Microsoft, you have the Microsoft Azure AZ400 DevOps Solutions certification, and for Kubernetes and Puppet you have individual certifications which definitely will add a ton of value to your career as well. So I highly suggest you check out these certifications if you're looking towards DevOps. Coming to number 9 talks about digital marketing. Now, digital marketing is a domain which is used by almost everyone out there, right? So 9 out of 10 companies and individuals say that they use digital marketing in one way or another. So this creates a huge spike in the proficient digital marketing expert requirements out there. So it becomes vital that you understand the top requirements of certification programs and of course all the certifications that are present for digital marketing out there. Now, when you're looking towards certifications which have a lot of impact to your career, well, here are some of the things. From Google, you have Google Analytics certification and Google Ads certification. And from HubSpot, you have the HubSpot Content Marketing certification. And for all the people who love marketing on Facebook, you have the Blueprint certification, the Facebook Blueprint certification that definitely gives you a huge push in terms of how you market content on Facebook. Now, coming to number 8. Number 8 talks about cybersecurity. Well, cybersecurity now more than ever is the prime requirement since most of us are working remotely, learning remotely. All the data, of course, has been stored remotely for the past 5-10 years, right? Now, security becomes the prime requirement. So, to make sure that you're a person who's proficient at handling these latest tools and technologies, you need to be certified in these certifications. For example, you have the CEH certification, the Certified Ethical Hacker certification, which is extremely popular among cybersecurity professionals, and then you have the CISSP, which basically stands for Certified Information Systems Security Professional certification, and then you have the CISM, Certified Information Security Manager, and you have CISA or CISA, which is the Certified Information Security auditor certification. Now, when you're talking to cybersecurity professionals, they usually use these abbreviations rather than the full form. So if you hear someone say CEH, CISA, CISM, CISSP, well, now you know what these certifications stands for. These are some of the most in demand cybersecurity certifications out there right now, especially in the year 2021 and beyond as well. Coming to number 7 talks about project management. Now, PMP and project management certifications have been extremely important for the year 2021 because at the end of the day, this is a domain which is showing continuous strong trends for the last couple of years, and it's portrayed to remain the same as well. Now, when a situation is like this, it becomes vital that you are certified in the latest and the greatest offering that this domain has to offer, right? So in project management, you have CAPM, which is the Certified Associate in Project Management certification. You have, of course, PMP, which stands for Project Management Professional certification. You have CSSBB, which is again a very, very popular certification, the Certified Six Sigma Black Belt certification. And of course, you have the PPM, Professional in Project Management, and a CSM, which stands for Certified Scrum Master. Now, these 5 offerings in project management are extremely important, and they are trending in terms of job requirements as well. So if you're a person who's looking to start a career in project management, or if you're looking to upskill yourself, these certifications are something you definitely should look out for. Right. Coming to number 6. Now, number 6 talks about database administration certification, right? Now, database administration is the most important concept of the back end of the entire world of information technology if you look at it. Now, as I mentioned, since half of the world, the majority of the world is working remotely still, it becomes very vital that databases which consists of a ton of data, for example, we generate 22 lakh terabytes of data every single day around the globe. Now, to handle this, to maintain this, to make sure it is ready for use, it definitely takes some skill. So here are some of the certifications which will upskill you in all of these. The most popular offering is definitely from IBM. The IBM Certified Database Administrator, the DB2 certification, is very popular among DBA professionals. And then from Microsoft themselves, you have the Microsoft SQL Server DB certification, which is very popular. And 2 other giants here, we have Oracle and SAP, providing Oracle Certified Professional, and of course from SAP, we have the SAP SAP HANA certification. Right now, these 4 certifications in the world of DBA or database administration is very popular, and it shows very strong trends for the year 2021 and of course beyond as well. So make sure to check them out. Now, coming to number 5. Number 5 talks about network engineering certifications. So, when the talk is about network engineering, I think the biggest name that comes to center stage is Cisco, because these guys have been giants in this world of, world of computing, where we're connecting people together and connecting companies and the entire globe together in the network, right? So, in that particular case, to become proficient in network engineering, you do definitely have to look towards these certifications. For example, you have the CCNP, the Cisco Certified Network Professional certification. You have the CCIE, which stands for Cisco Certified Internet Work Expert. And from CompTIA, you have the CompTIA Network Plus certification. And of course, from SolarWinds, which is again a very popular entity in network engineering, you have the SolarWinds Certified Professional. So these 4 certifications are extremely popular in the case of network engineering, in case if you're looking towards this domain. Coming to the top 4 certifications for 2021, we have cloud computing. Now, cloud computing is at its pinnacle right now because not only just storing your pictures online, you can perform the most complex, the most resource intensive tasks online, and you can have entire multinational corporations run completely out of the cloud. Now, when this is the case, again, if you look towards job trends, well, cloud computing certifications are the most asked certifications in any sort of cloud offerings there. Now, when this is the requirement, it becomes vital that you understand there are multiple different domains, multiple providers in the world of cloud computing. So from Amazon, you have AWS or Amazon Web Services. From Microsoft, you have Microsoft Azure. And of course, from Google, you have the GCP, the Google Cloud Platform, right? And then you have the IBM Cloud. So once you hone in on one of these, one of these domains, one of these providers, then you definitely can look towards a certification. From Microsoft, you have Microsoft Azure certification. For GCP, you have the Google Certified Cloud Architect certification. For AWS, you have AWS Certified Solutions Architect. And of course, for IBM, you have the IBM Certified Cloud Solutions Architect certifications as well. Now, these are very, very important if you're looking towards a career in cloud computing. So make sure to check them out. Now, this brings us to the top 3 certifications for the year 2021. Of course, number 3 being big data. Now, big data is a domain on its own which is just steaming ahead no matter what happens in the world, right? Especially in the year 2021 and 2022, big data is showing very, very steep increase in demand for professionals. Now, when that is the case, certifications will always help you step out of the crowd and make sure that you shine through them, right? Now, for big data certifications, you have many offerings. The most popular one is the Cloudera Certified Associate Certification. It's called CCA in short, and it usually goes by that name as well. Then you have the Associate Big Data Analyst Certification, the Microsoft Data Management and Analytics Certification, of course, from SAS, which is a very popular big data offering. You have SAS Certified Big Data Professional. Now, these 4 certifications are very much in the need of the hour if you are looking towards a career in big data. Now, coming to the number 2, the top 2 certification for 2021, we have web development. Now, web development is one of these domains that is used by almost all the brands that are out there which require an online presence in one way or another, right? Be it web applications, be it website development, whatever it is. So it is no doubt that it is showing extremely positive trends right now. So in the world of web development, the certifications are the following. From Adobe, you have the Adobe Certified Expert or the ACE certification as it's called as. From Microsoft, you have the Microsoft Certified Solutions Developer or the MCSD certification. Then from Zend, you have the Zend Certified PHP Engineer, and for all you JavaScript enthusiasts, you have the Certified JavaScript Developer certification that you could work on as well. Now, these will definitely help you give an edge over the competition. So make sure to check them out if you're looking to become an expert in web development. Now, coming to the top certification for the year 2021 itself, we have none other than artificial intelligence. Now, AI has been one of these domains which is again punching through, all the statistics, all the numbers, breaking all the benchmarks that has ever been set, right? So this is a domain which is portraying the most strong trends in the entire world of information technology today. When things are this strong, it becomes vital. Now, there becomes a situation where there is huge demand for AI professionals, and a lot of people, thousands of people across the globe will be applying for jobs. So to make sure you outshine all these competitions out there, and of course all the complex interview questions you can get asked in this domain, it is vital that you look towards certification to become an expert in the domain of AI. You have many offerings. Now, from Google, you have the Google Certified ML Engineer offering. From Microsoft, you have the Microsoft Azure AI Engineer Associate certification, and from IBM, you have the IBM Artificial Intelligence Professional certification as well. Now, these 3 form to be very, very important requirements, especially in this domain of artificial intelligence, if you are very serious and looking towards certification as well. So make sure to check them out. Well, guys, on that note, you've reached the end of the session. It has been amazing. I hope to see you on the next one. Stay safe. I'll catch you again.
I want to introduce you to Great Learning Academy. This is a free initiative by Great Learning where you can have access to over 200 plus courses with 1000 plus hours of free content on all of the trending high demand domains absolutely free. Register now to complete the course and get your free certificate of completion as well. Check out the link in the description box of the video below for more details. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I want to request you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. This is done to make sure you do not miss out on any of the new updates or video releases from Great Learning. And of course, guys, if you enjoy this video, show us some love and do like this video. Knowledge increases by sharing, right? So make sure you share this video with your friends, colleagues, and everyone who can make use of it. And at the end of it, make sure to comment on the video if you have any queries or any suggestions, and I'll be more than happy to respond to all of your comments.